You push a new feature and on your machine it's flawless. In production, it's a nightmare. Support panics, Slack melts, and all of a sudden there's a Jira ticket with the title Revert Axe Changes ASAP. Every day you seem to be one hotfix away from a career change. There must be a better way, right? What if you could deploy half-finished code safely, show it to a few people, and nuke it instantly if something acts weird? Well, that's not magic, that's a feature flag. In the next few minutes, you'll see how flags help you ship faster, test in production safely, and why targeting rules are basically a cheat code. But let's start with the beginning. What is a feature flag? Well, a feature flag is just a switch in your code. Let's take this example. We have an if statement, and we basically check is the feature enabled, and if it is, we show it. Otherwise, we just hide it. So no redeploys, no rollbacks, no tiers. But you might ask, no redeployments, but how do I flip the switch then? Well, you can toggle it from a dashboard. Your app just asks, hey, is this feature on? And then it gets back true or false, and the code behaves accordingly. You might have heard of progressive rollout. Well, let's make it real. Let's say you've just built a new checkout system, and you have two options. One, you can ship it to everyone and pray, or you can start small. Use progressive rollout. Basically target 1% of users, and then if everything looks good, you go to 5, 10, 50. If metrics spike or errors pop up, you flip the flag off. That's progressive rollout. Launching gradually instead of gambling your uptime. Flags don't just control when something goes live, they can also control who sees it. So you can enable a feature for a specific user, team, country, plant tire, or even app version in real time. You can save groups like EU customers, Q&A team, or pro plan, and keep them sticky so people don't randomly switch groups mid-sessions. That's targeting your secret weapon for precision control. Flags also make A/B tests easy. You can split users randomly into variants, measure the metrics, and ship the winner. Instead of arguing in pointless meetings with your vibe-based colleagues, you can just flip the winning variant to 100% and move on. That's how smart teams turn opinions into data. You've seen how feature flags work. Now here's why developers love them. Smaller PRs, cleaner merges, and fewer all-nighters. Flags let you drop unfinished code into main and just hide it until it's ready, and you can run experiments, measure, and roll back in seconds. You still move fast, just without the panic. It's like deploying with training wheels, except you get to keep them forever. Flags come with traps. Name them clearly, assign owners, and give them expiry dates. Don't mix billing or entitlements logic with experiments. That's how feature flags turn into feature nightmares. Respect user privacy. Don't send any private information to your flag service unless you really need to. And kill your dead flags. Old flags can rot codebases and slow development when used wrong. Here's the feature flag full recipe. Create a flag with a clear description, owner, and kill switch. Wrap your code behind it and merge early. Target internal users first. Roll out gradually, watch your metrics. If it's stable, ramp it up. If not, turn it off. Once it's fully launched, delete the flag. Treat flags like code. Track them and review them. Set a cleanup schedule so they don't hunt your repo forever. Let's recap the cheat sheet. So, feature flags help you ship faster with less risk, progressive rollout prevents big bang failures, targeting makes releases precise and personal, experiments replace opinions with data, and instant rollback keeps your weekends free. If you've made it this far, flip your subscribe flag on, and do not forget about the like flag as well. Shout out to the new subscribers, and if your subscriptions are private, drop a comment anyway, I appreciate you.